We're going to Lefty's.
Hi everyone! This is the Modern Higala! This is our first episode
On the Wings of Love!
series. We're gonna eat
Chicken!
hindi lang basta-basta chicken, but chicken wings.
Cooked chicken.
And our first stop would be
Lefty's.
Lefty's. Nga lang pa siya git pangalan ng Lefty's, no? Siguro dagan dito sa mga gipang biyaan, mga left.
Ay, hugot na rin.
So we're going now. Asa na siya dapat located?
Sa JR Borja Extension.
JR Borja Extension.
Daghan dito mga restaurant and isa dito ang Lefty.
Yeah, so we're going now to Lefty's for the On
The Wings of Love! So we ordered 3 different flavors of chicken wings. So we have Asian, and their bestseller, Lefty, and lastly, garlic parmesan. Yummy!
And then aside from that, nag-order for me 3 different dips. Kung saan na sila ng mga dips.
So this is the blue cheese dip.
Dili siya blue, white
Yes,
siya.
pero blue cheese na.
That's the blue
So this is the honey mustard. And this is the cheese sauce.
cheese sauce. Okay, so maano may okay, lagi sila tanong.
So let's
Let's
start.
begin!
Kung nila ko ang lasa ng garlic. Ang dami siyang bahana. And try na to ang dip na cheesy sauce. Cheesy gid kaayo! Cheesy gid kaayo!
For ka ng mga dili kayo hindi ng spicy food kayo, pwede nyo na i-try. Try na ko sa dip. Honey mustard. Actually, okay na po dyan. Manahan yung honey mustard.
So ako i-try is Asian wings because you're Asian. I don't know ano kita siya Asian wings, siguro hindi ka siya Korea. I think the best dip for this one is blue cheese. Okay, namin ito. And then you can experiment sa dips. Like, kung gusto niyo yung ipaswim niyo mga bundok sa other na mga dips. Like, kung Asian ka but you want cheese, pwede ka siya cheese.
That's what we call mix and match.
Mix and match.
You have to mix until you find the perfect match.
And that's it mga Higala. Busog na kayo me. And if you want, yeah, super busog. And right now, we have something to say about the chicken. Diba?
Flavors.
Oo, so,
Dalawan.
So, diba nag-order tayo tulong ang flavors. So, ako, syempre, akong ganahan kay Asian. Tapos, gidip siya sa blue cheese. As in, super yummy. And blue cheese. Wala lang, ma-compliment lang yun.
Ako, personal favorite, Lefty's. Lami siya sa tulo ka dip. And okay ra yung spicy.
my personal favorite good sa tanan mga chicken, it would be the garlic parmesan. And the best dip for that is the blue cheese dip. So, that's it mga Higala. Tell us more about kung sa inyong gusto na ma-advance next On the Wings of Love episode. Please do type in on the comment section below.
And like our Facebook page, The Modern Higala.
And please subscribe sa among YouTube channel ang The Modern Higala.
Yes, that's the Modern Higala. See you next time sa mong next episode mga higala. That's all for today. Bye-bye!
Bye!